What's up, YouTubers and IGers? We're back. We've got these Forerunner Morimoto headlights and amber fog lights. Check it out. Look how sleek these things look. Nothing compared to those crappy fog lights and headlights that you have. So if you have these, it's time to get rid of them. Bye-bye. All right, let's check it out, guys. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show y'all the amber fog lights with the headlights. Man, look at the crisp cutoff line on this. Wow, check it out, look at that. Straight cutoff line, we measured it, we aligned it, just to make sure it's perfect, just like those headlights look. Got the amber fog lights. Man, these things look beautiful. Amber fog lights, you got the projectors, you got the DRL strip, you've got the high beams that you can flip up. Look at that. Now, here's my favorite thing. We're about to hit the emergency lights. Check out the sequential on these bad girls. Woo-hoo! Guys, if you want to upgrade your lighting and get rid of this basic junk, call us up today. Upgrade. We install it. You get the warranty through us. You don't have to ship it back. Thank you and God bless.